Hey guys, it's Crystal and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing my little cousin's hair. I am going to start washing it. So I'm going to cleanse his hair with the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I want to make sure that his hair is properly moisturized. A lot of the times he just throws pink lotion on it, which is not the best moisturizer. So I'm going to try to make sure that his hair is nice and clean and also very moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and detangle his hair with a wide tooth comb. Make sure I get any tangles out. I'm going to deep condition his hair with the Creme of Nature Strengthening Milk Mask. I chose to use this because it has a very masculine cologne type of scent. I don't use it anymore, but I decided to keep it so my husband could use it. And I'm going to use it on his hair because I didn't want his hair smelling too fruity and feminine. This hair is clean. I'm going in with the Creme of Nature Pudding Perfection Curl Enhancing Cream. It's for the same reason. It has that masculine scent to it, and I know it's really good at moisturizing, so I'm going to go ahead and put this all over his hair. I'm going to go in with my Diamond brush to make sure that it's distributed evenly throughout his hair. I'm going in with Eco Styler Coconut Oil Gel to make sure that his curls stay nice and defined. I'm using the Diamond brush to make sure that I'm distributing the product evenly, and I also want to make sure that I'm defining his curls really well. If you notice any frizzy spots, just go over that with the Diamond brush. It will define that nice and perfectly. So this is what his hair is looking like once I'm done with it. I didn't want to define it too much to make his fro too much smaller. He likes it a little bit bigger. So this is what it's looking like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.